Listen to me. I said S raised to power 2 is equals to 16. Find S for me. People know now. Yeah? How can I find this something I does not keep it? You are the one that lazy S to power 2. You are the one that is equaling it to 16. I does not the India. Finding the S now, you are the one keeping it, not me.
Queen Nwoko is a talented, lovable, and entertaining Nigerian actress. She has starred in a lot of Nollywood movies, and yet not many of her fans know much about her. And I guess that is why you click on this video. So today, I'll be discussing Queen Nwoko's biography facts. But before then, if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Her early life. Queen Nwoko was born on 11 August 1982 in Lagos, the southwestern part of Nigeria, but she hails from Ihembosi in Ekwusigo local government area of Anambra State, the southeastern part of Nigeria. Her education. Queen Nwoko started her education at Air Force Primary School. She completed her secondary education at Queen College, Enugu State. After completing her primary and secondary education, Queen Nwoko proceeded to Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka in Anambra State, where she studied sociology and anthropology. While growing up, Queen Nwoko wanted to be a lawyer and she was very ambitious of that career. However, while studying at Nnamdi Azikiwe University, she developed her passion for acting. Her career. Queen Nwoko's debut happened in 2004 when she starred in the Nigerian blockbuster movie titled Nna Men. The producers noticed her talent in that movie, and since then, Queen Nwoko has become a very demanded Nollywood actress. She's best known for starring as a lead character in a 2014 Nollywood movie titled Chetenna, a movie that broke her into limelight.
It is helpless. It is helpless. No, Nkegi.
What's all this, man?
Yeah?
Maybe it's a little mad.
Are you mad? Who are you talking to like that? Huh?
She became highly popular after starring in the movie titled Adure and its continuation titled Adambano, a movie that made her a household name, especially in the eastern part of Nigeria.
In fact, yeah, if I saw me where I come just so Jinambano, I can just sorry, Adure, you know London. Oh, you know, come mountain. You can't, you can't.
After the movie Adambano, people believe that Queen Nwoko was from Mbano in Imo State because of her role in the movie. I think this means that she interpreted her roles perfectly in that movie. According to Queen Nwoko, her most difficult movie is Adure and its continuation Adambano because it was difficult speaking Imo State dialect in that movie. Her net worth. Queen Nwoko is currently one of the richest and most influential actresses in Nigeria. Her net worth is estimated to be about $500,000. She's one of the most paid Nigerian actresses and has acted in over 200 Nigerian movies. Aside from acting, Queen Nwoko is also involved in other businesses, especially in partnership with her husband's business, which I'm going to talk about later in this video.
I know why you're saying all these things, but don't worry. See, by the time this my ticket enter, hi! Naija bet go vomit all your money and I will pay you. Chelsea, don't cut them. Chelsea, don't cut them. Oh, Chelsea, don't cut them.
Stop shouting.
I beg, leave me.
Excuse me.
Look at my FME.
Her awards. Queen Nwoko in the course of her career has won several awards, which includes Best Scandal-Free Actress at 2011 Best of Nollywood Award, Best Actors Indigenous Female at 2015 Zulu Award, Best Actress in a Leading Role Igbo at 2015 Best of Nollywood Award, Best Actress at 2016 City People Entertainment Award, Best Actress of the Year at the African Magic Viewer Choice Award, Most Promising Actress in Nigeria at the City People Entertainment Award, Best Indigenous Female Actress in Nigeria at the Zafa African Film Academy Award, Face of Nollywood at the City People Entertainment Award, and Best Actress in the Leading Role at the African Movie Academy Award. Her personal life. Queen Nwokoye is one of the few Nigerian celebrities that are good at keeping their family and personal lives private. The Nollywood actress got married to Oluchi Uzoma in 2011. According to Queen Nwokoye, she got married secretly because she didn't want her own wedding to be a subject of media attention. Queen Nwokoye revealed that she likes to spend time with her family because they treat her as a normal woman and her husband also treats her as a wife and not a Nollywood superstar. For the first time, Queen Nwokoye and her husband were spotted together in the late 2014 on New Year's Eve Christian party crossover night in South Africa.
I want to welcome in our midst some visitors we have in our midst, special guests we have in our midst. This crossover service, Honorable Oluchi Uzoma and wife. The wife is the Nigerian actress Queen Nwokoye Uzoma. Please come forward, sir.
Queen Nwokoye's husband, Oluchi Uzoma, is a famous businessman and politician from Imo State. He's an extremely influential person who has his own successful business, mostly in South Africa and all over the world. Oluchi Uzoma comes from Isunjaba, which is in Imo State, but he resides in South Africa. Earlier this year, Oluchi Uzoma decided to join politics under the wings of APGA Party. He wanted to run the seat in Imo State House of Assembly. If he had succeeded, he would be a representative of Isu local government area. He promised to pay attention on infrastructure, education, healthcare, and empowerment of the youth, but unfortunately, he didn't win. Queen Nwokoye and her husband have been together for more than 7 years, and they are one of the most recognizable couples in business and movie industry. They have 3 children together. Their eldest children are 2 twin boys. Recently, they welcomed the baby girl. The news were shared on Instagram by Queen Nwokoye's friend, actress Omanandi, who congratulated her. Queen Nwokoye and her husband, Oluchi Uzoma, are not public people, and they do not like showing off their wealth and their successful life to the media. Queen Nwokoye was even described as Scandal-Free Actress of the Year because she was not featured in any drama or controversies. It is her motto to keep her private life and her job apart. However, from time to time, she still makes her 1 million followers on Instagram happy by posting the photo of her husband and kids and other updates from her family, like the one she shared on how she became an orphan within 6 months. She writes, and I quote, "I started 2019 with my mom and my dad, and within 6 months, I became an orphan. I still don't know how I managed to put through 2 burial ceremonies within 6 months. I can't question God, but my heart bleeds for them. I take solace in the fact that they are in a better place. Today, I have made a decision to be happy and put everything behind me. God is in control. Happy weekend, everyone."
Was in Egypt. Well, I come Kuziele Famana. Oblog woman.
Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of Queen Nwokoye's movies do you like the most? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Hello. Hey, Chineke, o mebizero m ihe nwa na ihu mara
Selfie.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna walk like a selfie. Pose of his picture, pose, his video.
We are trying to cover you up,
and you are doing everything you can to expose yourself, no problem. I will help you expose yourself. See, Commander Sondo, there is no way my husband and I, God-fearing people, church-going people, will stop on the road and carry your wife with her load of cassava and the boyfriend she was.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Hello everyone, I want to say a big thank you to all of you. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. May God bless you guys for me. You actually made my day. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.
Sabaya Jimozi, Sabaya Jimozi, Sabaya Jimozi, Sabaya Jimozi.